Hi, it's Beth with Phastek.com. Today we're going to install this J L Oil Separator in our 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. One of the reasons why we went with the J L brand for a catch can is because we really like the way these fittings fit directly into our factory fittings. So that means that this is basically a really easy install and very plug and play. Now this catch can is going to hold 3 ounces of vapor and any unburnt oil. Remember, when you put on a catch can, you're going to want to make sure and empty it whenever you change your oil. The tools we're using today are going to be a 13mm socket, an extension, a ratchet, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So today we can actually skip a step because we have an aftermarket cold air intake installed. For those of you who have your stock intake still, you will need to remove some housing that covers your intake tubing to your intake manifold. But for us, we're going to skip that step and go straight to unhooking the PVC pipe that leads from the air intake to the intake manifold. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to detach this PVC hose, and there's a tab underneath. You're just going to depress it and pull. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other end, and this tab is going to be in the back. Again, if you can't get it depressed, you might need to use a screwdriver. We're just going to pull it out. Now we're going to use our 13mm socket to remove this bolt right here. So once we remove this bolt, we're going to loosely install our actual catch can, and then we're going to go ahead and reconnect our hoses. Okay. Now I'm just going to loosely install our catch can bracket for right now. I'm just going to do it very loose until we get the catch can situated and all of the PVC fittings connected. Now we're going to attach the catch can to the bracket. All right. Now we're going to reattach our PVC fittings for our hose. So the way you're going to know which hose goes where is I'm going to line it up with the logo on our catch can. So the O, the hose closest to the O is going to go to the bottom one, and the hose closest to the C is going to go to your top fitting. So next, we're just going to tighten up our catch can. All right, guys, now that we have our catch can installed, you want to remember to empty it out about every 3,000 miles or whenever you get your oil changed. That's always a good rule of thumb. All you need to do is unscrew the bottom part of your oil separator. Thanks for watching. Make sure and like and subscribe for more videos.